Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. I am so excited to share today's CVS haul with you guys. Not only did I get all of these items for free, I made over $7 buying it all. It was just an amazing morning. I will definitely tell you exactly how I did that here in just a moment. But first, I wanted to share two things with you real quick. First, yesterday I was at Target and they had so many things all throughout the store marked on clearance. A lot of it was 50 to 70% off, but a lot of the items were 70% off. So I took a picture of basically everything I saw. That way I could share it with you guys. So if you have not had a chance to look at the Target video I posted yesterday, you definitely want to do that. So many items that you might be looking for. I will post a direct link to that video in the video description box below. Secondly, don't forget that I am currently hosting a giveaway. That giveaway ends tonight at 11:59 p.m. and the winner will be announced tomorrow in my Walgreens video. So if you want to get entered, super easy. Just make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Check out my Walgreens video from last week. That's where you enter to win the giveaway prize. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so let's jump into these deals. The first one I'm going to tell you about, crazy simple. It's on these Werther's Original hard candies. It's the sugar-free variety. These little mini boxes were up at the register. They are priced at $1.39 each. So buying two of them is a total of $2.78. But right now, Swagbucks is giving $4 back when you buy two Werther's products, and this is one of the products that qualified for the rebate. So I've already submitted my receipt. I've already gotten my $4 back, making these free and $1.22 moneymaker. Swagbucks has been crazy hot lately with their deals. If you don't have Swagbucks yet, you're in for a treat, because if you use my referral link found in the video description box below, you will get an additional $3 when you sign up and claim your first rebate. Let me know if y'all have questions on that. Okay, so now on to some oral care deals. These Colgate toothpaste, so I grabbed this 2-in-1. This is the 4.6 ounce. These are $3.49 each this week. When you buy two, you will get $5 in extra care bucks back, but there are coupons that you can use to pair with this. One, I had the $5 off any two Colgate CRTs. And CRTs, people have asked me this before, are the digital coupons that pop up in your CVS app, but they're not manufacturer coupons. They're CVS coupons that they're giving you. So you can pair those with manufacturer coupons. So I had a $5 off two CRT, as well as the 50-cent off one Colgate product coupon from the January 17th Smart Source. So I paid a total of 98 cents for both of these together, but I got $5 in extra care bucks back, making these free, and a $4.02 moneymaker. So a great deal on that toothpaste this week. Another awesome deal was on the Scope mouthwash. So these are priced at $4.79 this week. And when you buy one, you'll get $3 in extra care bucks back. Now you can do this a limit of 2 times. So I was planning to grab two of these to get that $6 back in extra care bucks. But I noticed on my CVS app that I had a coupon for $2 off a $12 mouthwash purchase. So I ended up grabbing 3 of these guys for a total of $14.37. I used that $2 off a $12 mouthwash CRT. I also had the $5 off any 3 Crest digital coupon. So check your coupons. You should have that in your CVS app. I had also had the $1 off Crest mouthwash clipped from last week. That should not have come off, but it did. So at the register, I paid $6.37 and I got $6 back in extra care bucks, making it 37 cents for all 3 of these. So I also ended up submitting my receipt to pggoodeveryday.com. It's not an app, it is a website. And so when you submit your receipt there, they give you 50 points per product that you buy, up to a maximum, I think, of 250. So I got 150 points back when I submitted this receipt, and you can use those points to redeem gift cards. So the gift cards are pretty limited. So I want to say it was 750 points was equivalent to a $5 gift card. So if that interests you, if you want to submit your receipt, you can. Obviously, you don't have to. But every once in a while, I'll end up with a $5 gift card to Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts or Domino's Pizza. Those are the ones that are coming to mind. But it's crazy simple to submit your receipt there. So if you want to, you can do that on any of the Procter & Gamble products. All right, another really easy deal if you get the coupon is on these CVS Antacid tablets. These are priced at $3.29. I noticed late last night I got a $3 off any heartburn CRT, so I used that. It made this just 25 cents. Because I am a CarePass member, the 20% off for this being a CVS product also came off, so that took off 4 cents. So $3.29 total, minus the $3 heartburn CRT, minus the 4-cent CarePass discount, I paid a total of 25 cents for this. So the next deal that I grabbed was on these vitamins, the Live Better Vitamin D vitamins. It's kind of odd, there's like 30 capsules in here, and this is a really big container. I thought someone had like opened them. So I don't know why they use such a big container, but these are buy one, get one free this week. And the regular price on this item is $8.59. But I had a ton of coupons, CRTs on my card that I used for this product. I had a $3 off any Live Better Vitamin D CRT. That's the one that I was expecting to come off. But 2 other CRTs also came off when I was purchasing this product. The $3 off melatonin came off, and the $3 off any Live Better Baby product came off. So it actually made both of these completely free because it was only $8.59, but $9 in coupons was applying to it. So it came out to be completely free for both. Another easy deal to do is on the Paparazzi nail polish. The Paparazzi nail polish is 2 for $5. And when you buy 2, you'll get $4 in extra care bucks back. So without any coupons, that makes them 50 cents each. But I had a coupon for $1 off any $5 Paparazzi nail color. That was a CRT that was on my card. I also had a $1 off any Paparazzi wipe. That continues to come off when I purchase these, even though it's not a wipe purchase. So I paid $3 and I got $4 in extra care bucks back, making that a $1 moneymaker. Next up, let me tell you about these cotton balls. So the last thing I need is more cotton balls, but it was a really good deal. So these are 2 for $5. So I bought 4 of them total for $10 because right now when you buy $10 worth of this CVS beauty products, you're gonna get $3 in extra care bucks back. So about 4 cotton balls total of $10. I had a $2 off any $10 CVS Beauty 360 purchase, and then I had 2 different $1 off any Beauty 360 cotton purchase. So that made me pay $6, but then I got $3 in extra care bucks back, making it $3 total for all 4 bags, or just 75 cents per bag. So a great deal on that. If you don't need cotton balls, there's so many different ways that you could do this if you had those CRTs using the different products with the spend 10, get $3 in extra care bucks back. Next up are these liners. I grabbed 2 of the U by Kotex Barely There. These are buy one, get one half off this week. as well as buy two, get $2 in extra care bucks back. These are $1.89. So I paid $1.89 for one of them. I paid 94 cents for the other. And I got $2 in extra care bucks back. But I also had a CRT on my card for $3 off any 3 liner or pad purchase. So I added these CVS liners. These were $1.59. So for the 3 items, I paid $1.42, and I got $2 in extra care bucks back, making it free and a 58-cent moneymaker. Okay, now the last deal that I did involved a $7 off a $35 cosmetic purchase. I messed around with this for a while, trying to make it the best deal possible. I decided to go ahead and do it with Neutrogena products because the Neutrogena products this week are buy 3, get $10 in extra care bucks back. So I grabbed these makeup wipes, and if you're familiar with CVS, they have the Neutrogena makeup wipes on the makeup aisle, and they have Neutrogena makeup wipes on the facial cleansing aisle. You want the ones that are with the makeup, okay? Not the ones that are buy one, get one 40% off this week. You want the ones that are found with the other makeup. These are the 21 count. This is what the package looks like. At my store, they were $7.59 each. I bought 3 of them. When I scanned the barcode in my CVS app, it said the $4 off any Neutrogena face cosmetic coupon applied to this item. So I got $4 off. I also printed that same coupon from coupons.com. I'm including a link directly to that coupon in the printable document that I include in the description box. So if you click on that, it will take you directly to this coupon, and you can print an additional $4 off coupon. I did not use 3 of them. I used the one digital that was on my phone, and I used the one that I printed. My guess is you could use one for each product. I just didn't read the coupon because I was only using one of them. I knew I could use one of them. So it makes for an amazing deal. I then paired that with the CoverGirl deal this week. So CoverGirl this week is buy 2, get $6 in extra care bucks back. So I grabbed these CoverGirl brow pencils. They were priced at $6.59. And I grabbed this CoverGirl concealer, which was $7.79. So a couple reasons I grabbed these. I needed to get to $35. I also had a $2 off digital for a CoverGirl eye coupon, and I had a $2 off digital for a CoverGirl face. So both of those coupons came off. So I bought the 3 makeup wipes and the 2 CoverGirls. I used the $7 off a $35 purchase. I used my $4 off Neutrogena face digital, a $4 off Neutrogena coupon that I printed. I used the $2 CoverGirl digital for the eye, a $2 CoverGirl digital for the face. I paid $18.15. I got $10 back for buying the Neutrogena. I got $6 back for buying the CoverGirl. I'll get $3 back in beauty because this was over $30. So that will give me the $3 in extra care bucks back for hitting my beauty club. And so that makes it completely free and an 85-cent moneymaker, which is incredible for those products. Also, there is a promotion going on right now, and I can link it in the video description below for a number of different products, including Neutrogena. Now, I'm assuming that this is an offer where you have to hit the spend threshold after coupons. Now, I have not submitted yet because I use coupons to buy these items. I'm not sure that I would qualify, but the deal is you spend a certain amount, you get $5 back. You spend even more, you would get $10 back. I will link it and show it to you guys in the video description box below. That way you can check it out and see if it's a deal that you'd want to do. Neutrogena is just one of the products that qualifies for that promotion. There are a number of other products that qualify, so you can play around with it, see if you can make it make sense for you. But I have not, as of yet, submitted my receipt to see if what I purchased would qualify. All right, if you all have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Two other quick things. Don't forget that I have deals that I'm posting over on my Facebook page, which is facebook.com/savingwithchristina, as well as over on Instagram, where I'm trying to post daily deals, and that is at Instagram, Save with Christina. Hope y'all have a fantastic start to your week. Thanks.